This is your extreme weather outlook for this Friday, April 5th. I'm meteorologist Daniel Kaiser. We're watching a heavy rain threat across parts of the U.S. over the next few days, as well as a severe storm risk, especially across the central and southern United States. We're also watching snow back out west. But as we put your forecast into motion, we are watching a system moving east as we go throughout the day on Friday across the eastern United States. Could help produce a few strong storms across the southeast and some snow Friday night across parts of northern New England. Meanwhile, back in the southern plains Friday night, we will be watching the severe storm risk that expands northward into parts of the central plains as we go into Saturday. Meanwhile, we keep watching waves of moisture moving into the west coast as we go throughout the next few days. Taking a look at your severe threat on Friday. This is Friday night across parts of Texas with a slight risk of severe weather in place. Large hail damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado or two will be possible. Meanwhile, we also watch a marginal risk of severe weather across parts of the southeast as we go throughout the day on Friday. Now on Saturday, we are also watching the potential for large hail damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado or two from the Gulf Coast all the way up into parts of the central plains. And then a slight risk of severe weather is in place on Sunday from the Gulf Coast into parts of the mid-Mississippi and Ohio River valleys. As we take a look at Lake Charles during the day on Thursday, we did see some flooded roadways. This was due to 6.42 inches of rain, most of which fell during the morning hours, making Thursday the fourth wettest April day on record. More heavy rain possible across parts of the southern plains as we go throughout the next few days, with 1 to 3 inches of rain possible across parts of Texas into Arkansas. We'll also see that across parts of the Florida Panhandle, especially as we go throughout the day here on your Friday. Meanwhile, with those waves of moisture moving into the west coast, Portland, Oregon could see almost 2 inches of rain over the next few days, with over an inch down in Redding possible. We'll also be watching the heavy snow potential in the Cascades with 1 to 2 feet of snow possible, and in parts of the Sierra as well. Mount Shasta could see over 46 inches of snow.